Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am going to be reviewing a £5 bullet journal that I found in a Tiger store. Tiger isn't a shop I necessarily would have thought of looking for bullet journals, but I came across this one by chance, so I thought it would be a good one to review. When I initially found this journal, there were only two colours available. There was this pink and an even lighter pink. But now I went into the shop on another occasion and they're stocking more colours. So there was a gold available, a dark blue available and a black available. I have a feeling there were more colours available as well, so bear that in mind if you want a larger choice of colours. In terms of the design, it has this dotted pattern all along the front, the word bullet journal and then this little feathered feature on either side, and the dotted pattern continues onto the back as well. In terms of features, it has this elastic band and two ribbon page markers which are the same colour, and then at the back of the journal is an expanding pocket which can come in quite handy. There's also a few pages at the back that show you some potential bullet journal ideas in terms of how to decorate it. So there's some banners, some doodles, schedules, to-dos. It's just, a few ideas there. In terms of the quality, it looks very nice and it feels nice. It feels solid, so it feels quite nice quality in that respect. The page quality is a little bit rougher, so I wouldn't necessarily use expensive brush pens on this, but overall I think the quality of it's quite nice. I tested out some different brush pens, so I tested out a Tombow brush pen here and a Pentel Fudo Touch. I've said that wrong. A Pentel brush pen and some Crayola pens here as well. As you can see on that other side, it has ghosted through a bit. So if you're planning on using lots of felt tips, you might not like this bullet journal if you'd get annoyed by ghosting. But I think this is quite a nice bullet journal for £5. I think this would be ideal for someone who has just started bullet journaling. It feels quite sturdy and it's inexpensive. So yeah, I would recommend this as a beginner bullet journal. So I hope you've enjoyed this review, and if you have any questions, please comment them down below and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. And thank you for watching.